Generosity is extremely important. Serving as the president of ASU Black Alumni and being a member since '09, I've seen so many funds going towards the students. So when the community comes together and gives, it goes back into the community through our scholarship. Growing up, I've had leaders, so knowing that I'm in a leadership role, I want to continue to be a role model for those. I believe representation matters. And if I'm here to show you can balance it all, the next person that sees me can say, I can do the same thing. You can have a family, you can work, you can do all that you want to do. If you don't have the money to support, come join an event, come out to homecoming, support that. If you see a post from us, repost it. There's so many different ways that you can give back. You can always follow us on social media, and I'll be more than happy to give ways of how you can support if this is something you really want to do.